Thank you for responding to our call today. As you know that today marks a significant step forward for Fiji's education system and for the future of every Fijian learner. With the signing of the letters of appointment today, we formally appoint the new Fiji Education Commission, an initiative endorsed by Cabinet and one that reflects the coalition government's commitment to a world-class future-ready education system. This is not just an administrative formality, it is a national moment. The work of this commission will help guide our education system through an era of transformation, one that's shaped by rapid technological change, shifting labor markets, and the increasing importance of lifelong and inclusive learning. Fiji has a proud legacy of education reform, from the early reviews of the 1909 to the landmark Education for Modern Fiji report in 1969 and the Learning Together framework of 2000. Each played a role in building the system we have today. The Fiji Education Commission builds on this legacy, a moment to take stock, consult widely, and set a bold, clear direction for the next decade and beyond. The Commission has been established with 5 key objectives. One is to conduct a comprehensive review of the education system, including curriculum, teacher quality, school leadership, and institutional frameworks. 2, to strengthen national unity and identity by promoting diversity, respect, and belonging. 3 is to align education with economic development and future labor market demands. 4 is to make education more inclusive and accessible to all Fijians. Number 5 is to position Fiji globally as a center of learning, innovation, and excellence. This will be a consultative, evidence-based, and forward-looking process, ensuring the voices of the students, educators, parents, employers, and communities are all heard. As we enter the second half of this decade, we must recognize key shifts in the global education landscape. Distance and flexible learning are now essential, ensuring no learner is left behind due to geography or crisis. Early childhood education remains critical to building lifelong learning skills and confidence. Inclusive education must be fully integrated so that every child can thrive. And as artificial intelligence and digital tools evolve, we must guide their use responsibly, enhancing learning while safeguarding our values. These are not directives for the Commission, but they are important realities that must inform its work. Education must be agile, resilient, and people-centered. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the distinguished individuals appointed to serve as education commissioners. Mr. Felipe Chitoko, Ms. Clara Talonga, Ms. Lavinia Tiko, Professor Vijay Naidu, who has also been appointed to head the commission, Dr. Priscilla Puamau, Dr. Kesa Sinloli, Mr. Arvind Maharaj, and Ms. Anna Rewade. A team of 3 secretariats have also been appointed initially to support the Commission's technical consultation and coordination work. To our newly appointed commissioners, you carry the trust of the Fijian people. You are not just reviewing policies, you are shaping the future of learning in this beloved country, Fiji. Let today's signing mark the beginning of more than just a commission. Let it mark the start of a movement, one that ensures Fiji's education system is relevant, inclusive, resilient, and proudly Fijian. Together, let us build an education system that lifts every learner, strengthens every community, and prepares our nation for the opportunities for tomorrow. In our level, education is a national responsibility and the time for action is now. Let us deliver. In our level,
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. I just want to express my profound gratitude to the commissioners for electing me as chair of the commission, and also to say that I've got every confidence in the professional experience, qualifications, and expertise of the members of the commission, and that the task ahead is a daunting task. It's a massive task, it's a serious task, and we will try and do our very best to accomplish the expectations of the government, the nation, and families and communities of Fiji. Thank you very much, Minister.
thank you very much. Probably